Oh my, look at these delicious gingerbread cookies. Oh, they're not real. Well, I guess I have to put them on my Christmas tree. Let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you all again and thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If you're new here, my name is Felicia and I'm so happy that you stumbled upon my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be kicking off my brand new Welcome Home to Christmas decorating series. Now in today's video, I am going to be taking you all along with me as I decorate my dining room for the Christmas season. And we're definitely going to be decorating a Christmas tree in the dining area as well. If you are new and you enjoy this content and you would like to become a part of this family, just give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It is absolutely free, but it would definitely help my channel to continue to grow on this platform. Well, without further ado, let's get decorating. The first thing I'm going to do is address my window treatments by removing the summer white valances. And here I'm showing you that I've replaced them with my buffalo check valances. I'm also sharing with you a Christmas ornament that my daughter gifted me with, and I thought it was so whimsical for my tree. Now these are all the ornaments that I purchased for 2021, and these are some wonderful additions that I'm going to be adding to my Christmas tree this year. So here I'm just giving you a quick view of all the other items that I already owned and used last year to decorate this Christmas tree. There's a variety and a wonderful assortment here. Now I'm getting ready to put this 7-foot pencil tree together. I'm also going to do a quick break in this video and share a simple DIY with you guys, and it is called the Felicia Mini Bow. Here I am using that beautiful buffalo red check or gingham ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just showing you how I create my first loop. I pinch it in the center, and then I'm going to fold it again to make the second loop and pinch it back in the center. Then I'm going to use a simple zip tie to cinch the center to create the formation of this bow. So now I am just shaping this bow and fluffing out the loops so I can add it to my tree. So I am just adding each of these bows throughout the length of the tree, and I'm just giving you a quick view before I start adding all my other ornaments onto the tree. I am going to be using this piece as my topper for this tree. So now I'm going to start adding my ornaments one by one by starting with my beautiful gingerbread, and then I'm just going to continue to add ornaments throughout the tree. Now this is a different set of gingerbread, little boys or men, however you call them. So I just put those throughout the tree because there's a difference in size. And now I'm going to add my little faux peppermint candies. Having a gingerbread themed Christmas tree in your home is a great way to add a touch of whimsiness and fun into your home, especially if you're going to have children that lives in the home or they're going to be visiting your home. It's something just especially neat for them and for adults that still have that childlike heart. I just enjoy putting up this style tree. This is my second year doing so, and I plan to do it year after year. And I hope that you enjoy this tree as well. So now I am moving on to adding just a little simple decor to my dining table. I am not going to do a complete tablescape this time, but I'm just going to add a few touches to kick off this dining room for the Christmas season, and you will definitely have to come back later when I do a full tablescape in this room. So I'm simply going to add, I think this is a 9-inch garland that I purchased from Walmart. And what I'm doing is I am fluffing out every single stem just like you would a Christmas tree. And it's long enough that I can double it. So after I get it fluffed, I'm going to double it up, and then I'm going to add some candles. So now the fluffing process is complete. So now I'm going to add my candlesticks and candles.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether somebody new, still